Ever wondered how a person can accumulate wealth in the simplest ways? So sit back, relax, and let this enlightening journey take you towards the 3 simplest ways to earn money. First off, let's unlock the potential of a method that you might not have given much thought to: recycling. Yes, you heard it right. Recycling isn't just about saving the planet, it can also be a lucrative venture. So how do you turn trash into treasure, you ask? Start by collecting recyclables around your house, or even your community. These could be anything from soda cans to old newspapers. Next, find a recycling center in your area that pays for these items. Remember, every little bit adds up, and before you know it, you've created a steady income stream from what others consider as waste. Moving on to the second method, consider becoming a mystery shopper. Companies are willing to pay for your opinion on their products and services. All you need to do is sign up with a mystery shopping company, visit businesses or restaurants as a regular customer, and then provide feedback on your experience. You get paid for your time and sometimes even get reimbursed for your purchases. It's a win-win situation. The third and final method to earn money is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services of a company and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Begin by choosing a product or service that you believe in, then sign up to become an affiliate marketer. Share your affiliate link through your blog, social media, or any online platform you have. Every time someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. In conclusion, the 3 simplest ways to earn money are through recycling, becoming a mystery shopper, and affiliate marketing. Recycling transforms waste into wealth. Mystery shopping pays for your time and opinion. And affiliate marketing allows you to earn a commission on sales made through your referral. These methods require minimal investment, are easy to start, and have the potential to provide a steady income stream. Remember, the key to success in any venture lies in consistency and perseverance. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your finances grow. After all, every journey begins with a single step, and your path to wealth could be as simple as recycling a soda can, sharing your shopping experience, or promoting a product you love. So why wait? Start your journey towards financial freedom today.